Okay, this is preview chapter of the Physics 110 homework. Problem 2 says, given that an astronomical unit is 1.5 times 10 to the 8 kilometers, we stop right there. They're telling us that 1 AU, that's an astronomical unit. The average Earth-Sun distance is, it means it's equal to 1.5 times 10 to the 8 power. It would be 150 million kilometers. Continuing the problem, and a light year is about 10 to the 13 kilometers. So they're telling us there that 1 light year of distance sounds like a unit of time, but a light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year of time, is about 10 to the 13. It's about 10 trillion kilometers. Given that information, we're asked how many astronomical units, how many AU are in 1 light year. So this is a conversion of units problem. We're trying to figure out what 1 light year is equal to in terms of astronomical units. And the way to set this up is write out an equality, 1 light year equals 1 light year. And then we multiply by conversion factors. In particular, we use the 2 equivalences given to construct factors to convert the units. Conversion factors are fractions. We're going to use 2 of them here. And we put one side of each of these inequalities on the top and one on the bottom. Because these are equal, when you do 1 divided by the other, you're getting a factor of 1. That's why we're allowed to multiply these on one side of the equation and still have our equality be true. In particular, I want light years to cancel out. I'm trying to get how many astronomical units there are in a light year. So I use this conversion factor. 1 light year is the same as 10 to the 13 kilometers. Notice how you want to write this out. You want to figure out what to put on top and bottom, whether you're multiplying by 10 to the 13th or dividing by it by writing it out and putting in the units. This way the light years cancel. That's how we knew that it had to be the kilometers on top and the light years on the bottom. And then using the other equality, 1 astronomical unit is the same as 1.5 times 10 to the 8 kilometers. Notice how the kilometers are canceling. You want to write it out. You want to put in the units. That's how you avoid the mistakes. Kilometers cancel. The only units left are going to be AU, astronomical units, and now it's just doing the math. 1 times 10 to the 13. Gotta be careful doing that on your calculator. It'd be 1 and then your EE button and then 13 divided by 1.5 times 10 to the 8. I don't bother with the times 1 or divided by 1 because that doesn't change the number. The calculator said 66,666.7 astronomical units. It would be okay to round that to 666,700 AU. It's also okay to write it out with all the decimal places, but it's more accurate just to put it with the reduced number of decimal places, and that's the problem.